Alright, here's a before video, May 2020. We're gonna level the backyard. Primarily what we're always doing, retaining walls. So we're gonna come 27 feet off the back of that house to where those guys are down there, and level all this out, put a fence in, and have a after video up here soon. Job should take about 6 or 7 days. What's up, man? All right, here is a job we just finished, May 2020. Leveled the backyard here. It's so wet here. We got a fence and deck over here. And I'll go on the outside and try to get a picture of the wall there and get a short video of the wall. Here's the outside. So here's the wall here. All right, give us a call or a text, 770-596-1911. Thank you.